Hi, writers. We're here to write opinion conclusions today. And I wanted to ask you, have you ever watched a movie or read a book that just left you hanging? Well, you've enjoyed everything, but you just didn't feel like the movie or book was complete? That's what we don't want to happen with our persuasive essays. You began your writing with an introduction, and you should end it with a conclusion. In your conclusion, you should restate your opinion on the topic. You can use similar, but not exact wording from your topic sentence. Then end your essay with a bang. You may want to ask a question or leave the reader with something to think about. You could also encourage the reader to take action. For example, if you wrote on the importance of voting, you could say, "Remember, it's your future. Get out and vote every time you have the opportunity." So you want it to be strong, a strong conclusion that really shows your reader that they've ended your journey with you. Here is the end of our journey for the football at recess. There should be football at recess. It's clear as day what this opinion was about. We will get more exercise, we will play more, and we will learn important skills. Those are those 3 reasons, very concise and clear. I'm starting to realize that when we were little, we could get hurt on the swings or the slide. Football is just like the slides and the swings. As long as we are careful, we can be safe. Please take the football ban away and let us play again. This last sentence is a call to action for your reader. This opinion essay is probably being written to administration at the school or teachers at the school. So you want to end your opinion and connect it back to all the things that you highlighted throughout your persuasion opinion piece. I'd love for you to type 3 to 5 sentences out with a strong conclusion, having your reader be thinking of something on the next slide.